Hi guys, so I'll be showing you how I made this simple soup. A few of you asked on how I did it. So basically here are the meats. I put some warm water to boil it. So here I put it on the previous pot, but that was kind of little for me, so I had to swap it around with the other pot. So here we go, swapping it. And then covering it. So I boiled it like around 15 minutes, yeah, so it could be cooked well, because it's really hard to cook. And here are the ingredients. We got some pepper bell, spring onion, and onion, and then we're gonna blend it, blend. Okay, we're just gonna wait for a few seconds before that finishes, and then we're gonna put it in the pot. That's garlic, by the way. Sorry, that's my child in the background. She's talking with me. Okay, we're gonna pour some hot water as well. Okay. I guess she's helping me. I'm doing the voiceover. By the way, yeah, so we're pouring the hot water, and then we're gonna put what we're blending. So we're gonna put that in, and then we're gonna mix it for a bit. Okay, that's my daughter in the background, don't mind her. So there we go, mixing it. That looks good. It's very simple and straightforward, by the way. It's really easy to cook. My husband loves it, and that's Maggi, salt, yeah. So that's pretty much it that I put in. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, we're gonna let that cook. And by the way, I put the carrots in, but I didn't show you that part. And here are the potatoes as well. I put that at the end, because if I put it early, then it will get smashed. So put it like right at the end. So we're gonna let that cook in, okay, and then checking back in. Okay, there we go. I put the potato in. So there we are, nearly done with the cooking. That looks fine, very fine. Oh dear. Okay, back again. Check. I think this is the final step, actually, like, because the oil was kind of starting to appear. I mean, sorry. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. It's probably done cooking. Look at the potatoes, like, it nearly got smashed as well. What I didn't want it at first. So I'm just mixing it this time. It was very delicious, by the way. My husband loved it. Oh my god, you should have tasted that. By the way, I don't like it, so I didn't eat any of it, but my husband did, and he loved it. And I say loved it. Okay, sorry, bye.